Hello, kids. This video I'm making specifically for my biology class. I hope you are all doing well. I've communicated with a couple of you that have told me that they've had some trouble with a couple of the worksheets from last week with the base pairs and the codons. So I thought I would create a little quick video that would maybe help. But I also want you to make sure that you're watching the videos that I've uploaded and have read through some of the examples on the worksheets really well first, because they will show you how to do those. So I made this. Probably the most important thing first is to understand that DNA has 4 nucleotides. It's A, T, G, and C. They do stand for adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, but you don't necessarily have to know that. Just remember the letters. And you should know that A and T are best friends. They always pair together, and G and C always pair together. And if you look at the drawing, you'll see they kind of fit like puzzles, to where A actually really can't fit with C or G because they have a different like puzzle shape. So that just doesn't happen. Like, you won't ever see a G and A pairing together, for example. So if I have given you an example like this one, TAGC, then what would be the complementary pair? Well, T pairs with A, so you would get A pairs with T, you get T, G with C, and then C with G. So your complement is ATGC, or CG, I'm sorry. And RNA is really not that different. The only difference is with RNA is there is no T. RNA does not have thymine. It has uracil, which is U. So anywhere that you would normally put a T, just make sure you put a U there instead. So on this example DNA right here, if you have GTCA is what I give you, and you're trying to figure out what the answer is, then the complement would be CAG, and then not T, but U. So that's how you do that one. And then for the other one, this is where you have to do the codon wheel. And basically RNA is going to code for things called codons, which is 3 nucleotides. Think of it like a word. You don't read in letters, you read in words. And the RNA will actually read in words, which are called codons, 3 at a time. And each one of these will create a specific code for an amino acid. And that's where you use this little chart that I showed you, so that once I give you a code, I just used U as an easy example. You start in the center, U, go to the next ring, U, go to the third ring, U, and then you read which one you get, which in this case that's phenylalanine. And that is how you find which amino acid that your codon pairs for. So that is how you do that worksheet. But make sure you are reaching out to me if you have trouble with this. I will help you. I can try to Zoom or FaceTime or something, but I am here. I'm still alive. I'm still very much alive, and I still very much miss all of you. So I hope you're doing well. I will say, try not to let this get ahead of you. I know a lot of people still haven't done last week's work yet, so it will pile up. So try to do a little at a time, and reach out to me, please, if you are struggling. Bye-bye.